Nvidia stock is on a thrilling ride with three analysts boosting their price targets, signaling exciting times ahead in the AI market. However, not all news is rosy. SMCI supermicrocomputer, a key Nvidia customer, faces challenges as its stock tumbles. In today's episode, we will reveal all developments. Hey there, Tommy from FibonacciTraders.com here. Welcome for another episode, Stock a Day, and you guessed it. Like, subscribe, let's talk Nvidia. So first, for those who don't know me, welcome. Nice to meet you. My name is Damir, Fibonacci Traders. I'm a professional trader since 2016. I've began my journey into trading in November of 2016. It took me almost 2 years until I found my way, my rules on the technical side and on the psychology behind trading, rules that works for me, and I always keep improving those rules and tweaking it to be a better trader each and every day. Now, let's talk about Nvidia. Let's consider some analysts' opinions. Morgan Stanley raised their price target for Nvidia from 150 to 160. They expect Nvidia to earn billions in January from new products, but supply issues might affect the profits. They expect better margins in October, but lower margins when new products launch in January. This is normal with new products. Morgan Stanley warns that January's guidance might be challenged for the stock. It's important for investors to remember that there's always uncertainty. If Nvidia earnings or guidance are weaker than expected, it could cause a sell-off, which might be a buying opportunity. Next, we have Piper Sandler raised their price target for Nvidia from 170 to 175 from 140. UBS also increased their target to 185 from 150. UBS expects Nvidia to meet or exceed earnings expectations this quarter, predicting 78 cents per share and 34.3 billion in revenue, higher than Wall Street's average. For the fourth quarter, they expect 87 cents per share and 38.9 billion in revenue, again beating Wall Street's estimates. Nvidia is set to benefit from increased spending on AI, especially in the Middle East. However, like Morgan Stanley says, they warn that gross margins might be a concern. Wedbush believes that a Trump White House win could boost the AI market, benefits companies like Nvidia. While Nvidia isn't seeing big returns now, if Trump administration supports AI, Nvidia would benefit as a key chip supplier. Meanwhile, SMCI super micro stock is down 5% and 10% over the past 5 days. It's down around 80% from its peak due to financial issues. Recently, Supermicro has to pause factory expansion in Taiwan and Malaysia, causing major customers switch to another supplier. This is bad for Supermicro, but Nvidia has other partners, so it won't affect much. Lastly, there's interesting news for Nvidia. TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductors, has stopped shipping advanced AI chips to Chinese clients due to legal issues. This could open up supply lines for Nvidia and other AI companies, helping them to meet demand. While this might hurt TSMC's revenue, it could benefit Nvidia if they can increase their supply. However, main supply issue with advanced packing, not the initial chip production. So first of all, year to date, Nvidia is up 195%. In the past week, 5.9. In the past month, 8.4. And in the last quarter, 29%. This is how it looks on the daily. We're inside an option channel, bullish on 3 out of 4 time frames, some bearish on the 65, and we have, of course, earnings coming up next to you next Wednesday, November 20th, after the closing bell. But we have a gap over here, and we know that more than 85-90% of all gaps will get filled, and as soon as this gap will get filled, the better it is. Then we can look for a support on this lower border of this option channel, same as we got here, same as we got here, same as we got here. So downtrend continuation, expecting to close the gap and find support at the 139 and even at the 136, 37 before the next leg up. Breaking below the 136 will continue downside 128, and maybe even after the earnings, closing the gap at the 119. Stay tuned for more videos like this. So once again, thank you very much for watching this video. I do hope you find it helpful, educational. If so, like, subscribe, check the links in the description below. I assure you, you will find what you're looking for. Until the next video, stay safe.